Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and simple tutorial on how to copy a message link on Discord using your Android device. This feature can be really handy if you want to share a specific message with friends or keep track of something important. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials and get into your server. Once you're in, navigate to the channel where the message you want to link is located. Now go to the desired message you want to link. It can be anything from a funny meme to an important announcement. Just find that perfect message. Once you've located it, tap and hold the message. This action will prompt a menu to appear, giving you several options to choose from. Don't worry, the interface is user-friendly, so you'll find your way around easily. After holding the message, look for the option that says Copy Message Link. It's usually near the top of the menu. Tap on it, and voila! The message link is now copied to your clipboard. Now, you can paste that link anywhere you want, whether in a chat, an email, or even a document. Just long press in the text field and select Paste to share that message link with your friends or save it for later. And that's it. You've successfully copied a message link on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.